friends, welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan. Christmas is only a couple days away and I will be hosting Christmas dinner at our house. One thing I really wanted to do is to make a Christmas favor for everyone at my table. So I decided to make Christmas ornaments. I went to the Dollar Tree and bought clear bulbs, and I will decorate each one in a little unique way, and I hope you enjoy watching. Let's get started. Most of the foliage and decorations I did get from the Dollar Tree, but there are a few things I got from Michael's, including the snow, the fake snow, and also the string that I used to attach the ornaments to the trees. So I won't be decorating my table until Sunday, Christmas Day, but I just wanted to give you an example of how I'm going to set it. I'm just going to put the little favor at the top right of the setting, and I think it would be real cute like that.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go?
And here's a look at the finished bulbs, and I think they came out so cute. They were super simple and easy, as you saw, and I just didn't fuss with them too much or make them too fancy, just simple.
By the tree, they don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please.
I'm so glad that you clicked on my video today, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make these cute Christmas bulbs. I also want to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and please like and subscribe. I'm trying so hard to get to 1,000 subscribers, and that would be so awesome. Thanks, friends, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.